Hi, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is your friend Han here, and it is absolutely great to see you here this morning. Now, this morning I have something super unique and special. Now, this is going to be really go hand in hand if you're local marketers and if you're video marketers, because this is a new type of video going to help you selling more product, more services. This is going to be additional service if you're local marketers. This is one of the video you probably never seen before. The first time I saw this type of a video, just have a chats going on, which I'm going to show you here in a minute. It's actually to Snapchat. They have an entire channel. People post the entire text stories in a very funny kind of way to attract attention. Now you can do this kind of video, post on social media sites such as Facebook and Instagram to get attention, right? So it's all about you creating different type of videos, getting attention these days. And so if you're looking for this type of product to help you using video to make money, sell the video itself, or use this type of video to promoting your own product, affiliate promotions and service, you want to pay attention to this. So without further ado, let's kind of dive right into this. Alright, so we are at the bonus page and bonus/review page. The name of the product is called TXTVideo. It's actually very cool. And basically, they're gonna have two different type of license: commercial license and personal license. And I highly recommend if you are one of those local marketers that wanna selling the product service to the people, you want to pick the commercial license. That's the rights you want to pick. So what is TXTVideo? So well, you're able to creating video such as this. Okay, you're gonna see on the bonus page, you can see the image. We also put up a couple demo video up here, and of course I'm going to show you live on this recording how they were able to creating this. So people like to be nosy. People like to know what the heck is going on with other people's life. So this kind of text style story is brand new. Nobody has this kind of script or the video created. So that's why I'm very excited to share with you. This is something I wish I thought of and created, but they got ahead of me. So as you can see, you now can use this message, stick out the business name out there, stick out your offer out there in a very smooth way. And number one, I went to Toastmaster as a speaker to learning. I'm actually doing a lot of speaking gigs these days behind the scenes. So that's my other business I'm trying to starting, because I think that a lot of people can benefit from what I know in my life and motivate to achieve the success they have as well. So number one technique that people, a great speaker using, is using a power for telling a story. Now this is just different format for telling a story. Instead of telling a in-person story, which is the best, by the way, this is the second best way to tell the story, lead them in, and then close the deal. People don't like to be told what to do, but they sure like to watch another movie, read another book, and learn what's the scoop, what's the story, right? Right, because we are, as a human nature, it is our nature to learn and watch stories. And don't ask me why, just biologically, it is a fact. You can Google it and justify it, okay? Verify it, that's the word I'm looking for. Now, with this purchase, we're gonna hook up with some cool stuff. It really super easy to do. I'm gonna do more here in a minute. So just be with me for a couple of minutes. We're gonna hook you up the script. Hey, what kind of conversation should you put out there? What kind of story should be telling inside this kind of video? We're gonna hook you up that. I'm gonna have a bonus training. In fact, if you're getting this review video a little bit earlier, I highly recommend click the link and go ahead and sign up to a live before the early bird webinar. So he's gonna show you even more tricks and tips in there. And on top of that, we're gonna hook you up a whole bunch of other video related bonuses down here, so you can check it out. So without further ado, let's kind of jump into the software itself. All right, I said enough. So once you lock in the software, it's super easy to do. You get a platform look like your handy iPhone, but it's hey, notice this is not an iPhone 10. This is a old iPhone 6 or 7. Notice that? Anyway, let's creating a message right in front of you. So click this button. We're gonna start with a new person. So you're pretend you're talking to a customer. I'm just gonna name her Jenny, and the avatar. So I already went to Google Image, find some girl's image and download it. I don't recommend you do this. If you do an image like this and put in your video, make sure you have the rights to it. And this is, in my video, this is just for testing reasons, okay? Just to save time. So once, as you can see, once you add the name and image here, it's here. So you're gonna pretend you have a conversation with this young lady, young fine lady here. So when the toggle is just me, it's I am texting her. So I say, hey. And she said, what's up? And then I say, what was the place we went to eat last night? And she said, you know, just insert the business name, right? So it could be any restaurant's name, or I don't know, Olive Garden, G-Town. Did you like their stuff? So, you know, you pre-position that by telling, to lead to the story, to kind of let her tell you, hey, it was great and I want to go back again, right? So this tells the people that if you're promoting for Olive Garden as a local marketer, this is what pre-positions that other people has social proof that when they're they like the food, they actually will go back. So this is how you pre-proposition this kind of stuff, okay? So now I am, so she just answered, hey, how's it going? I say, it's not bad for, I don't know, Italian food. I can't spell, so Italian. So if I spell it wrong, I apologize. Okay, here's the red mark. Maybe I can just say that. Well, when you need it, it's just never there. Anyway, so mad food at all. I will go back too. And by the way, you got their address and contact info. Boom. So here's the story. So she's gonna answer, hey, here's the phone number, blah blah blah. I'm gonna just type random number in here. This is not the real number. Don't attempt to call. And you know the address is in street in USA somewhere, right? So this is the story. Once you have done this conversation here, all you had to do is, number one, I highly recommend you save the message so you can come back to edit. So testing two, okay? And number three, and the second step you need to do is actually creating the video. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna hit yes. It's gonna go out there rendering the video. It's rendering right now. So what you're gonna see is that when you go back to your message list, this thing we're just creating here is the process in the video. To save time, I have already done this video, and I want to kind of show you. So, so I actually have to download the video. So one thing about this is it does not save. I don't see a way they save the video you already do here. So once you're creating the video, you have to immediately download this. And I actually did creating this video. So what the heck, let's create it again. This is actually pretty cool stuff. So I want to just kind of show you. Okay. Oh, I already have this name before. Not sure what's going on. Maybe I'm rendering the other video. Well, let's go back to the message list here. So it's still processing. And let me see. Maybe I can find history or cache, but I couldn't find it right now. So I'm gonna pause this video and kind of show you what the video looks like after it's rendered. All right, so you took about 2 or 3 minutes, then you started rendering to come to the screen. So what I forgot is, it's the way they designed this is better, not intuitive. I mean, it's really hidden. So once you're rendering out the video, it's actually hidden by click this arrow here, okay? If I click this arrow, this is gonna have a video button comes up, and then you click the video icon, then it actually shows the video. So, so this is what's going on here, and let me see. to creating a video, creating a list. So I don't understand why it's asking me to creating again. Oh, you gotta click the okay, this is why. This is why you gotta click the dot thing, the vertical thing to have the video. That's why I meant to click on. Okay, so this is what the video gonna look like. It's 1 minute and 17 seconds long, and this is like another conversation. I'm talking to myself, and you're gonna see exactly, and they have the perfect pausing to let you to read the text as well, and boom. You know, after a couple of minutes, you can just download this, right? You can just download this. So this is the kind of like a full screen of it. So you can just click right, save video as, it becomes your video. I'm not gonna do that because I want to kind of show you here. This is exactly what it looks like. So this is the exactly perfect format for posting on Snapchat because it's already vertical. And this is exactly a great format for posting on Facebook. And this is actually a very good format, video format wise, for posting on Instagram and posting your stories. Taking these videos and posting stories. And people are gonna be watching your stories because that's what's hot right now. In your Instagram story, in your Snapchat stories, in your Facebook story as well. And also, of course, you have the option to post to your post as well. So this is really gonna show you how this works. So very cool stuff. Takes a very little effort to create this, but the impact, I believe, since it's new, nobody ever seen it. So you have something called first mover advantage. You can actually sell this service to your local business owners because they probably never seen this technology before because none of your competition is going to have it. And number two, you can definitely use this to promoting your own product, affiliate products, and your own coaching program, your own other people's product, affiliate product, Amazon product, all that great stuff. So this looks like a conversation. Remember, the reason this thing's gonna work is because people love stories. That's why there's YouTube stars, there's Instagram stars, influencers. So by the way, I'm going to another meeting tomorrow to hang out with local influencers as well. So it's a huge influencer marketing, and this is gonna fit in that thing very well. I'm gonna show this technology to them and show them and sell this deal to them. Okay, all right, so if you're smart, make sure you grab this early, and if you are here, happen to be super early, make sure you sign up to the webinar, and they can answer your questions and give out cool stuff inside the webinar, so you can get this at the lowest possible price. Again, this is your friend Han, and the things I love about this product is a brand new idea. Nobody has it. You're gonna be the first mover to get it. And I play with it. It's pretty smooth. It takes a few minutes to get it. Other than the life bug I just show you there. It looks like when it's rendering and the video at the same time, you cannot render another video immediately. It has to wait till the video to finish. I think that's what the error code is. And I made a mistake, click the arrows, the video is actually saved in there inside by click on the 3 dots. Now, things that still need to be really careful about this is this kind of marketing is very new. So you want to stay on the safe side of marketing. You cannot make up too much fictional stuff that doesn't really mean what the customer wants. If you're working with a client, you want to make sure the text message script is approved by your client, so you don't want to get in any kind of trouble later, and that's my recommendation. And you might need to, I know we're going to include that script in you, but if you really want to get a great script, you probably want to hire some kind of story writer. They know how to hire writing a very cool text story, and you can find them on Fiverr. If you have not thought of that, it's on there. It's $5 in the right for you. And you can also outsource to the virtual assistant. Just type this in, create a video, boom, post it everywhere. The reason, again, this thing gonna work is because attention grabbing, right? We have so many different videos out there now, and this video is new. This type of video is brand new, fresh out of the oven, but you gonna get a chance to grab this. So make sure you clean your cookies, grab from the commercial license right now, and we're looking forward to send all those bonuses for you. And go ahead, start selling that to your clients. Go ahead using that in your marketing. And I'm really excited to hear what you have to say and what you have when you jump into the software. Once you get it, what kind of results are you getting? You know, how much are you selling this video for? I mean, nobody has the right price. I predict it can be easily selling for $500 to the $1,000 because that's just the market rate. Very easy. And look how easy it is. 2 minutes, you got a video created, right? Pretty cool stuff. So make sure you clean cookies. Grab from link below. Again, this is your friend Han, and until next video, I'll talk to you in the next one. Cheers.